Hello champion, George Dwyer here from the George's Live Cooking Show. In today's episode, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make a vegan coleslaw. However, before we do that, hit the link below, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We would appreciate that. Also, we're here to serve you and all of your amazing plant-based recipe needs. And by doing that, we're impacting and changing the world one recipe at a time with the amazing recipes. So here we go, right here, bam. So here we have some apple cider vinegar, we have some maple syrup, we have some veganese or some plant-based mayonnaise, we got some sea salt, we got some of Georgie's all-purpose rub, which is the secret ingredient. Bam! So now, and over here we have an amazing, you guys can see that, we have a kale, it's kale, broccoli, Brussel sprouts, red and green, as we say, red and green cabbage. So here we go, guys. We're gonna go right in. Bye, bye, bye. So we're gonna take about 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Bye, bye, bye. Right in there. We're gonna do about 2 tablespoons of the, can you guys see that? We're gonna do about 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. We're gonna do about a 1/4 teaspoon of some salt, some sea salt. Bam. And we're gonna do a skosh of Georgie's all-purpose rub. You guys can really see like a little bit of love on the beads of love from the maple syrup. Bam, bam, bam. We're gonna do a little spray of the sprinkle of the Georgie's all-purpose rub. Now we're gonna go ahead and put in the veganese, about a 1/2 cup of veganese, which is awesome. Right, we're gonna put that in. Boom, 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 boom. Bam. We're gonna mix this all up. We're gonna mix this all together. So you can see the stuff way down in the bottom there. Right, boom. Uh-oh. Get back in the boat. Get back in. So we're just moving this around.
Cabbage overboard.
Moving this around, moving this around. Moving this around, moving this around. Also, guys, make sure you hit there's another recipe that I have for you that goes along with this recipe, which is our vegan, we call it pulled pork, but it's not really pulled pork, it's actually pulled mushrooms. It's a trumpet mushroom or oyster mushroom. So I'm gonna leave also a link for you for that in the corner so you guys can see that recipe. See how we're mixing all this stuff together, right? Got that all mixed up, tossing it all together, putting everything nice and good together. Next thing we gotta do is just taste it. Because we don't want it to be too mayonnaise-y. Too much, too much of that in there. There we go. So now, all we gotta do now, this all over the boat. Put some more, see that some more left in there. So let's taste it and see how it, and see how it goes. I'm gonna get me a little spoon, or a fork I should say, and taste this up a little bit. See how this is. Yeah.
How is it?
Good. I'm gonna add just a little bit more of the apple cider vinegar, just a tad more. Boop, boop. Now keep in mind, once you let this sit a little bit, you can let this sit for a few hours in the refrigerator, and it's gonna all come together nice. Now, if you want a little spicier, you can add some, cayenne pepper or habanero pepper. This is nice right here. All right, guys, boom. There you have it, right here. Look at that, huh? Vegan coleslaw. Real simple, easy, quick. Right there. And also, I'm gonna leave a description at the bottom of the video of all the importance of all of these ingredients. The kale, the Brussels sprouts, the red cabbage, the green cabbage. It's just man, it's just crazy. It's just delicious. So there you go, guys. There it is right there. Boom. Vegan. This is vegan coleslaw. And again, I'm going to leave another link to this video for the vegan barbecue mushrooms. And it's going to be a beautiful sandwich. You guys will enjoy that too. So let us know what you like best about this video. Make sure you subscribe to the link below. Share this video, like the video. And I want to thank you guys for watching this episode of George's Live Cooking Show. Until tomorrow, I'm George Duhart from George's Live Cooking Show. God bless you guys. You guys are awesome. George, out.